This is the before and these are the afters. I'm going to show you 4 ways to style a headband wig with minimal leave out. And the nice thing is that all these headband wigs match perfectly and will complement afro textured hair. So the base hairstyle for all these 4 hairstyles I'll show you later on in the video, so keep watching for that. This is a synthetic headband wig that I made using braiding fiber, and that is why I'm just detangling it out with a wide tooth comb before I start off. And do make sure that once you put on your wig, you adjust it to reveal some leave out, minimal but some leave out nonetheless. The star of the show would definitely have to be this DIY braided Alice band that I made. There's no tutorial on this because it's not my tutorial to make. Just go onto YouTube and type in braided ponytail and you'll find numerous tutorials on that. So you're just going to be using braiding fiber. I decided not to use it as a ponytail but use it as this Alice band to style the headband wig, and I'm just fastening it at the back by tying it and also using safety pins. So yeah, this is style number 1. It looks very nice. I think it's called a milkmaid braid. I'm not too sure, but these are the results. What do you think? Please like this video if you like this style. And style number 2, still the same wig. I'm just readjusting it at the back. I'm going to be making the messiest, the loosest bun you've ever seen. So this is a very messy loose bun, not a slick back, very neat intact bun. And I'll be using that braided Alice band to tie the ponytail, just to style the ponytail, the low bun rather. And these are the results. This is how it looks. Decided to style it with these sunglasses. I'm loving it. I mentioned in the first style that the base style for all these wigs will be shown later on. This is it. I'm just basically creating a middle part, and then I'll be using gel. This is 48-hour gel, extra hold gel from Dark and Lovely that I'm using to smooth down the hair around that parting area, just the hair around there. And then I put on the stocking cap to cover the rest of the hair, and I'll be smoothing down and laying down the hair in the front as well as the parting space flat by covering it with a doek or a scarf and leaving it in for a few minutes. So let's get into the style. This is a headband wig that I got from Take A Lot. It's a yucky style, synthetic. I have a tutorial up on my video. I'll be sure to link it in the description box, but I'm just using the scarf that came with it and styling it in a V shape around that parting area, and just making sure to cover up the sides of my hair because I'm trying to do a minimal leave out. Does it not match afro textured hair or what? Let's get into style number 4. This is an afro headband wig, and I'm using water mixed in with conditioner to finger detangle it so that it's easier to style it. I'm taking some hair at the top as though I'm creating a half up half down style, and I'll be putting that section of hair into a pony. And then the rest of the hair, what's left, I'm also going to be putting it into a pony. But what do you think of this headband wig? It really is realistic. You could think it is my hair. If you want to see a review, I have it up on my channel. Please click or tap on the video that you see in the top frame. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.